So we got the Kask unboxing and review unboxing of the Valegro helmet. Made in Italy, Valegro helmet Kask. I like the rotational and linear impacts test and passed. So I like that. We try to prevent the concussions. I've had 4 concussions. Doctor says I can't have any more. So that's why we went with the Valegro. Also, I like the way it sits on my head. It sits up a little higher on my head. So it doesn't press my forehead because I get really bad compression headaches. So in our tool, take a look here. Open it up just to make sure that it is the right size, and if not, we can send it back. Okay. So here we go. This is how it comes out. Bam. We got this on Amazon. We got the high vis. There's the box. See the box. Okay. This is $250 retail right now. Like that so y'all can see. I got yellow. We got the high vis. Comes in the plastic. Not getting any lice from people trying it out at the store. Product of Italy, very nice. Okay, so aerodynamics, it's nice. And on the back side, you got the cast on the inside. It has the carriage for your rotational impacts. It's a little different than the wave cell technology that other companies are offering. You see it has here a leather strap, make it very comfortable. And it also has the boa type adjustment in the back here. So let's see. I'm not going to totally fit it to myself right now because that would take a little bit of time. We're on video here. But there's the inside. This is a large, by the way. There's the inside there, okay? And unscrew the boa. I got a pretty big head. Comes down on there. And that's nice. That's nice. It's sitting up off of where I get headaches. So, and then I can bring that up. And that's pretty good. Strap that in. Wow, that's actually fits pretty good right out of the box for my particular head. So, there you go. Out unboxing of the Valegro by Kask. Made in yellow. Oh, what? Got something else. I didn't see this at the shop when I was trying them on. Oh, there's a little carrying case for it. Pretty good. I'm not sponsored by Kask. If they want to sponsor me, they can give me a call. It's all good. And then there's probably some informational brochure they sent with us. Check it out. But my tip would be always wear a helmet because, like, you only get one brain. And it's just a use and care is all that is. So, wear a helmet because you only get one brain, you know? And, like, if you're taking care of TBI patients like me, I've seen on the ambulance and in the hospital as an EMT and as a nurse and as a volunteer firefighter, just people that weren't wearing proper protection equipment or personal protective equipment, however you want to say it, PPE, and it just does not go well. Like, cars win. They win every time, you know? So make yourself visible and wear your PPE.